section of this video. Remember, we are still discussing on the topic Igbo words for different parts of the human body. I remain Tutor Chigorum Promise. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like the video, share, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the YouTube channel Learn Igbo by Conversation for more updates. Let's proceed. Kaiganiru. How do we say eyeballs in Igbo? Mkpụrụ anya. How do we say nose in Igbo? Imi. How do we say nostrils in Igbo? Oghere imi. How do we say sneeze in Igbo? Uzere. How do we say cough? Ukwara. How do we say cold? Oi. How do we say runny nose or catarrh? Azuzu. How do we say fever? Ahoko. How do we say ears? Nti. Nti is different from the Igbo word nti, which we used in the previous video. Nti means cheek, but nti means ear. The difference is in the tonal sound. Nti has the tonal sound low. While nti has the tonal sound high-low. Nti. Okay, let's continue. How do we say mouth? Onu. How do we say lips? Ebugbere onu. How do we say teeth? Eze. Join me in the next video when we take a look at more Igbo words for different parts of the body. Meanwhile, if you're interested in learning the Igbo language properly, join our LIBC classes for just £3 an hour. You can book our classes on our website. Our website address is in the description box. Our website address is learnibo-byconversation.com. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. See you in the next video.